Question 13. The diagram below represents the female reproductive system. Which statement is correct about the labeled parts? A. P. Allows the baby to grow. B. Q. Allows fusion of male and female sex cell. C. S. Receives the male sex cells, or D. R. Produces the female sex cells. Students should first know the parts of the female reproductive system and understand their functions. P. Fallopian tube. It is also known as uterine tubes. The primary purpose of uterine tubes is to facilitate the transport of ovum from the ovary to the uterus. This transport is aided by the peristaltic movement of the muscles and the rhythmic movement of the ciliated cells. During fertilization, the spermatozoa travel through the tube towards the ovum, and fertilization usually occurs in the ampulla. After fertilization, the secretions of the tubes provide nutrients to the zygote. Q. Ovary. The ovaries have two distinct functions. Gamete production. Ovaries are the site of periodic development and release of the egg cell or female gamete by the process of ovulation. The developing egg cell mature in the fluid-filled follicles. At once, only one egg cell is released. However, different cells can also mature simultaneously. Hormone secretion. Ovaries secrete a set of hormones including the estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, and inhibin, which are involved in the development of secondary sexual characteristics and the maintenance of the reproductive function of the ovaries. R. Uterus. The primary purpose of the uterus is to provide a feasible environment for a newly developing baby. S. Vagina. The vagina is the receptor for the penis during coitus or sexual reproduction. Vagina also provides an elastic passage for the baby during childbirth. Therefore, the correct answer from above explanation is C. S. Receives the male sex cells.